Alright, good afternoon everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at Windows 11, and this is the Insider Preview. So this is build 22000.51, update 21H2, and it was just installed today. This is the Pro version. So this is a little bit different than the leaked build we were running. As you can see here, everything is looking a little bit different. They have these new like tiles and kind of like drop down slash menus, a new menu system for settings. Let's see. So if you got your backgrounds and all this kind of stuff, you got themes right here. You've got a section to install themes, create themes, stuff like that. You got your contrast right here, which actually takes you to accessibility. Let's check out and see if we have any themes in the theme store. Looks like we do. Oh, those are actual games, not themes. New gaming section right here. Xbox game bar and all that. See if we have any new wallpapers. That's just those folders still. Got Windows Update right here. So that's what that looks like. It looks like we have a .NET update here. Your settings for the Insider program, which appear to be blank. Yep, nothing comes up there for some reason. Advanced updates for stuff like Microsoft Office, drivers and stuff like that will update here. So that is settings. It looks like that's going to need a restart. We're not going to do that right now. We've got the notifications and everything over here, calendar, all that kind of stuff. Got your looks like volume, as well as the Ethernet icon right there. Got your rounded corners. Everything's looking a little bit better than when I had the leaked build, as far as the rounded corners and everything like that. Got your little start thing here, not start thing, like your widgets and stuff like that, and your different desktops and all that kind of stuff right here. This is pretty much the same from the leak, the start menu, but settings changed completely. I like this a lot better. you guys have any questions, what about the notepad? Let's see here. Notepad? Nope, that's just same old notepad with rounded corners. Nothing really much new there, at least not right now. We have some pre-installed apps, Spotify, Solitaire, crap like that. Calculator, that looks a little bit different. Let's see if I can find, yeah, all apps, here we go. Got Paint, which is, again, same old Paint, just the bar up here is basically the new design. Maybe they'll change that later on, but like right now those apps are the same. The only app I can see that's different is, nope. Only app I see that's different is Settings. And I think the store is a little bit different. They've got more stuff in it, I think. That one doesn't want to open. Calendar. I mean, these are, I don't remember what they look like before because I never used them, but that's what it looks like now. I don't know about this version for everyday use. I just installed it like 20 minutes ago. So I don't know what issues it may have. The store, I don't use it, so I don't know what it was like before, but I know they have, like if you go to settings and personalization, there are like themes. So there's a store for that. I know there was a little bit of a store before, but it used to take you to a website, I think. Now it just takes you to the Microsoft Store, and you can browse through all these themes and stuff like that. Installation, like how long did it take? It took like 20 minutes between downloading and installing it. Yeah, I don't have Photoshop or anything like that on here. I don't use this. I just use it for gaming. Um, but like Steam seems to work and everything. I don't have Microsoft Office. Yeah, but I mean everything here loads. I mean the store looks the same, but I think they added some stuff to it, like the themes. I'm pretty sure that wasn't in the store before. Check that. Yep. Not gonna actually play because I suck at it. Yeah, I don't have Office or anything like that, so I don't think I can do anything. Let's see. Maybe it will. Yeah, it's just trying to get me to sign in. Mine stayed at 0% until it restarted. Mine didn't go above 0%. It just stayed there for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Restarted, and then it started and went from there. I think it restarted twice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not too much different than the video I did on the leaked build, other than the fact that settings is completely new. I'm assuming we'll see this as we get new builds. We'll get new system maps and stuff like that getting redesigned. I'm gonna change to the dark background. Smaller buttons. Let's see. Mm, I don't see that. You can just move this left to center, but you can't like you can't, even if I go down here like on the old versions of Windows, you could like resize it by dragging it. You can't. It doesn't give you that option. I mean, you can try to restart it. I would give it a few minutes and see if it's going to restart on its own or not, though. But yeah, I don't see... Ooh, that's not what I wanted. No, it won't run without DPM. You need a TPM 2.0 and secure boot. And this thing right here isn't part of the beta. That's just from an app I have. You should, if you have a computer that's like 2017 or newer, you should have TPM. I would just check the BIOS and make sure it's enabled. Mine was named something weird in like processor settings. File Explorer. I mean, it's pretty much the same File Explorer. It's just got new icons, stuff like that. It's laid out basically the same though. The upgrade went fine. It took like 20 minutes. Will people get updates who bypass it? I don't know. There is a way to bypass with a Windows 10 installation file. You can bypass it by switching the file, and it won't check for that. I'm assuming it probably will update because I only think it checks for those on the initial installation. It's missing the day of the week in the taskbar clock area. We might be able to turn that on. Maybe not. The leak build wasn't, yeah, I showed settings a bunch, but I'll open it back up. It's just all these tab views and stuff like that. The experience so far has been good. The update went fine. I didn't have any issues. The leaked build may not have had everything updated yet. The game settings, I don't have anything like set up here. But I mean, I don't have a way to check to see if it will or will not because there's no updates. And I have TPM and everything, so I couldn't tell you. I know you can initially if you bypass it, but I don't know about later on because there's nothing to update to. It was about 20 minutes to update from download to install. I mean, it was 4:05 when my computer restarted, and I've been streaming for 16 minutes, and it's 4:34, so with the download and everything, it was about 20 minutes. Taskbar settings, there's not that much. It's just the corner icons. You can get rid of the widgets and stuff like that over here. And then you can change the alignment from center to left. I'm probably going to leave it in the center just because that's new. Check your BIOS for TPM and secure boot. It may just be turned off. That's what I had that happen with mine. I just had to turn it on. Just Google whatever PC you have or whatever motherboard you have and put TPM 2.0 after it, and it should tell you how to turn it on. But that's going to be it for now. I've got to go do some things, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you're not already. I'll do some more videos later on if I find any new features, and I'll definitely do some more stuff on the new builds that come out after this.